lovely to see you again. As you've been learning about the sea this week, I thought it would be nice to make some animals that live in the sea. So I've got 3 different ideas for you to do. First of all, there's a fish. Can you see him? The lovely scales that we've painted. Then we've got an octopus. Isn't he cute? We'll have a go at making him. And lastly, we've got this scary shark with a fin on his head who's eaten a fish with his big sharp pointy teeth. Can you see them? Okay, so I hope you're going to have a go at one of them, or 2 of them, or 3 of them. Put them on Class Dojo so we can see, because you know that we love giving you points and stickers. Okay, keep watching to find out how to make them all. So to make the fish, you'll need some paper, either coloured or white. If you haven't got coloured paper and you want it to be coloured, you can paint it before you start making the fish. A pen, some brightly coloured paints, and very strangely, some celery. Keep watching to see what we do with the celery. As you can see, I've got my paints ready, but I was missing a colour. So I decided to put some red and some yellow together and make a new colour. What colour do you think I'm going to make? Should we give it a mix and have a go? Have you guessed already? If you guessed orange, then you are right. Well done. So now, all my paint's ready. I'm going to get my paper. And I've drawn a fish with my pen. Can you draw a nice big fish with your pen on your paper? And then we need to get the celery. Probably thought it was a little bit strange that I was going to use celery. Let's see what effects we can make. I'm going to have a go with the other side of the celery now and decorate the tail. Let's have a look and see how this works. I'm using it a bit like you would use a paintbrush, just to put some decorations on the tail. And then I'm going to move to these fins. A bit tricky because you don't really know where the paint's going to come from. But I think they look a bit better with some decorations on them. Don't you? And then I'm going to use my paintbrush. If you haven't got a paintbrush, you could use a finger. And I'm just going to give him a little red mouth. Even though I'm not really sure fish have red mouths. Well, there we go. Do you like him? All finished and quite easy to do, I think you'll agree. Okay? Keep watching for the next thing.